Welcome to Family and Feast channel. My name is Janet and this is
Chloe again.
Chloe is our taste tester. Remember all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's get started, guys. So guys, in today's video we will be making fish fry or fried fish, and this is a requested video from one of my subscriber, some guy on this planet. What a unique name. So here are the ingredients you will need for this recipe, guys. I have my fish and I'm using Bangamary fish, and if you don't have this one you can use any one of your choice. I'm also going to use Accent, Adobo, Chicken Bouillon, Complete Seasoning, and here's a look at how the Complete Seasoning look. I know a lot of you may not be able to find this, but I got it off Amazon. You can get it from Walmart or Costco, I think, to have it. I'm using oil for frying, Old Bay. I'm using some mayonnaise, honey mustard. I have some paprika and black pepper. I also have some grated ginger, and this is freshly grated ginger. You can make it like into a paste. I have 2 eggs. I have corn starch, and I have some fish fry, and this is a seafood breading. If you don't have the seafood breading, you can replace this with some all-purpose flour. It will do the same job. I also have some celery. This is 1 stem celery leaf. I have 2 leaves of basil. It's also known as mardman pork in my country, Guyana. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have some thyme, 1 red chili, and 1 root of scallion. Now I'm going to go blend my green seasoning. You want to blend this into like a paste consistency, the finest you can get it to be, and I'll be right back. So guys, now that I am finished blending my green seasoning, and this is the consistency it is, really fine. So I'm gonna just add all of it on top of my fish. And now you're gonna add in all your dry ingredients. This is my accent, my adobo, my chicken bouillon, my complete seasoning, my Old Bay, my paprika, and my black pepper. And now I'm gonna add in my ginger, my honey mustard, and my mayonnaise. So guys, all my ingredients are in the bowl, and I'm going to go in with my hands. And you really want to do this with your hands because you want to massage all the ingredients on the fish. So I'm just gonna mix this up, and I'm gonna just go in with my hands, and we're gonna start turning this around to make sure that all the ingredients are well coated on the fish. You want to make sure if you have any lumps of seasoning, you get rid of that and you just rub it in the others. And just continue mixing until you are sure that they're well distributed evenly. So guys, this is all mixed and I'm done here. So I'll just cover this and allow it to sit for 30 to 40 minutes. If you have more time, you can go ahead and leave it for even about an hour and a half or so, but I'm gonna fry these out in 30 minutes. So I'll be back in 30. So guys, here's a look at my seafood breading and my cornstarch. I've combined them in 1 container, and you will need to do that as well. So in this container, I have some adobo, chicken bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, paprika, and Old Bay. Now you're gonna add in all of that to your mixture, and you're gonna mix and make sure that they are all combined evenly. I will leave you the exact measurement I use for my mixture, my seafood breading and my cornstarch and all the dry ingredients. Just want to make sure that this is mixed and everything is well distributed. So now that this is combined, we're gonna just whip our eggs. So after the 30 minutes your fish was sitting, you're gonna add in some of your egg wash. Now I'm gonna use more than one and less than two here. So I have two whipped in this bowl. I'm just gonna leave a little bit on the side, and I'm gonna bring my fish close to me so it doesn't make a mess, and I'm gonna start mixing it into the fish. You want to make sure that it's well mixed in. So this is all done here. I'm gonna go wash my hands and I'll be right back. Now my oil is on. My stove is on high, between high and medium heat. My oil is coming up to a nice hot temperature. I'm gonna start battering my fish to fry. So you want to pick some of the, make sure you grab some of the seasoning like so, and you're gonna put this in the breading, and you're gonna pat the fish and the breading until all the liquid from the fish has absorbed in the batter. Now you're going to dust the excess batter off, and be sure to catch these corners here that may appear to be wet. Just put them back down, put the fish back down and tap in with some of the batter. Now I'm going to place this on the side, and I'm going to continue with all the rest that I have over here. Just remember when you're picking your fish up to pick up some of these amazing seasoning you have on it. So guys, allow your oil to come up to a nice hot temperature. Breading. Make sure to dust off the excess breading before you put it in the oil. Be sure not to overcrowd your pan. You don't want when you're turning it for it to fall apart. So in the meantime that is frying, you're going to grab yourself a basket with some paper or some bouncy towel here to absorb the oil when you take your fish out of the pan. So after about 3 minutes or so, you can turn your fish over, and you're going to allow them to have a nice dark golden brown color. Now don't forget to flip them on both sides until you have that nice brown color you're looking for. So guys, this is the color I like it. So I'm going to take mine out now. And I'm going to place these on the side on some bouncy paper like I showed you earlier. So now that that set is done, I'm going to continue to put in some other ones. So guys, here's the end result of our fried fish recipe. Now Chloe's gonna try it and she will let you guys know how good it is. I'm just gonna break into one of my fish and show you how nice and crispy it is on the outside and soft on the inside. So here you go. Chloe's gonna try it and she will let you guys know how it tastes now.
Time to try it. Bye. Come on, Tristan. Bye.
We hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.
Bye. See you in our next video. Bye.